and then it's over.
Camera's rolling. Action. So after getting back from Stewart Island, we were in Invercargill for a couple of days. Invercargill isn't a great place. It was really cloudy, really rainy, and it's so cloudy and rainy that the locals are just used to it. So, you know, there wasn't much to do there, and I have nothing to say about Invercargill.
We did meet that Filipino group.
Oh, that was in Invercargill. Woo! And then with that, we made our way up to Dunedin, was reunited with my cousin Yan and her family, Annika, Yumi, Cyril. It was so great to see them. Popped some bubbly. Here we go, celebration! Ah! Celebration! Ah! Woo! Ate some good food. It was a great couple of days. Thanks, Yan, for hosting us yet again. Dunedin has one of the nicest beaches in all of New Zealand and a great surf spot. Of course, I'm talking about St. Clair, St. Kilda. We saw 2 female sea lions just basking in the sun. One of them was politely ushered into the ocean. I don't know what this sea lion was doing. It was just lying there minding its own business. And so in an act of passive protest, the sea lion went into the water and then chased out all the swimmers and bodyboarders and people that were just swimming and enjoying themselves. She said, you know, if you're gonna kick me off this beach, well, I'm kicking you out of the water. And that's exactly what she did. And with that, we left Dunedin. We decided to go to our favorite lake, and then that's of course Lake Tekapo. Lake Tekapo is a great place to visit because it's not as highly commercialized as Queenstown. It's an up-and-coming place, so if you have any property here or if you're just looking to invest in anywhere in New Zealand, I'm telling you, Tekapo is up and coming. It's been nothing but construction from the last time we were here all the way up until now, because we were here, I think it was about a year ago. So here we are at the Lake Tekapo Holiday Park. Great facilities. I would have thought this place just opened up given how polished and new smelling everything is, but the lady told me that they actually opened right before the COVID lockdown. So we did the things that you normally do when you go to Tekapo, visit the Good Shepherd Church, take pictures, a million photos with the lupins. You gotta do that. Oh, kamusta ate at kuya? Maraming lupins, huh? This is the season for it. Why are you laughing? Another must-do is the TEKAPO Springs, so that's what we're gonna do today. Do I have my mask? Yes, I do. We are still at level 2 here in New Zealand, which means everything's our open.
Everything's all right.
Another advantage here staying at Lake Tekapo Holiday Park, there's an exit over there, is that you are literally within walking distance of the TEKAPO Springs. It's just a short 2-minute walk to the springs. Down that away. Very blue.
Oh, the COVID vaccine pass is needed. Today's the 3rd.
Oh yeah, today is the first day of the COVID vaccine pass. So luckily we took care of that. We've got our passports ready to go. Here we go.
Do you have passport vaccination?
Yes, we do.
One at a time, if you could.
Oh, first time I've ever had to do this.
Today's the first day.
Yeah. How's it been going so far?
Yes, pretty good.
Pretty smooth?
People.
Oh yeah.
Oh, really? I guess they didn't know.
They're bringing in their cards and that's not acceptable.
It's a BookMe deal just for entrance, yeah. Is the sauna open as well?
Tomorrow.
Aww. Okay. So just the pools today?
Yeah.
Okay, all good.
And they have a happy hour from 3 o'clock with 2 for the price of 1 on Amstel beer and the straight 8 Riesling.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Be there for that.
Cool.
And the big pizzas open only at half a 1.
And what time did you say the happy hour was?
3 o'clock.
3. Okay. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, that's a bit of a bummer. I was really looking forward to the steam sauna, but okay. Starting to drizzle a bit. Let's go to the 38-degree one. Ooh. That's the stuff right there.
It's raining. Yes.
Queenstown Stampede, represent. Yeah, or no, sorry, I think that's Sweden. But they got Minnesota Wild, Latvia. Just taking a little break now. They've got a 2-for-1 coffee hot chocolate deal, so I'm taking advantage of that. Ooh, that was cool. That is good hot chocolate. How's your cafe?
Okay.
How are you doing that?
Stop. Happy hour, 2-for-1. Here's your Riesling.
That's a really big pour.
They were at the end of the bottle, so they just gave you a little extra, more than the standard glass.
Oh, is that why she said just stay hydrated and you should be okay?
I'm like, my pee is already clear, I'm good. I got the hydration thing covered. Cheers to that.
Cheers to the good life.
Oh, I haven't had an Amstel in I don't even know how long. But it's so crisp tasting. It reminds me of Europe. Have a sip of that. If you come to TEKAPO Springs, it is possible to purchase a fairly
Look at this.
pork belly pie. Ooh. Hold on. It's all about this crunch right here. Listen. Not as crunchy as if you get it fresh at the bakery, in fairly. Why am I faffing about, you ask, Ling? Just because I'm a dainty eater. Is this barbecue sauce? You really work up a hunger.
Look, my legs look like you. Dark and ashy.
I for sure got 50 shades of gray darker. And the gray is the ash on my skin.
I was gonna say.
5 hours later, we are leaving TEKAPO Springs. Had a great time. I'm tired, I feel parched, but feeling relaxed more importantly. So this is our last night here in TEKAPO. We were here for 3 nights. Tomorrow it's off to Christchurch and we've got some more adventures coming up. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. See you guys on the next vlog.